Today we're diving into a powerful marketing guide that's trending right now, the 8 Secrets to Marketing Success with TikTok. This is a PLR digital product that teaches marketers and entrepreneurs how to win on TikTok, whether you're selling products, services, or building your brand presence online. If you're not using TikTok yet in your marketing strategy, listen up. TikTok has exploded in popularity, becoming one of the most engaging platforms for short-form video content. And unlike traditional social platforms, TikTok thrives on creativity, entertainment, and authenticity. It's not about polished ads, it's about connection. So what exactly are these 8 secrets and how can they help your business grow? Let's break it down. First, the guide explains the importance of understanding who uses TikTok, mainly younger audiences under 30. If your product or service appeals to that crowd, your opportunity on TikTok is massive. This isn't a place for long text or static images. You need to move, engage, and entertain in short, punchy clips. Next, TikTok is all about visuals. The guide stresses that marketers with visually appealing offerings tend to perform better. That means showcasing products in action, demonstrating real usage, or telling a compelling story through your visuals. Boring or overly salesy footage simply won't cut it here. Music is another big secret, literally. TikTok's sound library is central to the platform's culture. Adding trending sounds or background music makes your videos feel native, not like a forced advertisement. People come here to be entertained, not pitched. Secret number 4. Develop your brand's vibe. TikTok thrives on trends and a sense of identity. The companies that succeed aren't trying to sell every second. They're building cool, fun, relatable personas that people want to follow. Another key secret is consistency in posting and planning your content ahead. The guide emphasizes setting up a content plan so you are always dropping fresh clips instead of scrambling at the last minute. Content planning brings clarity and keeps you active in the TikTok algorithm. Engagement matters on TikTok, and this guide highlights simple ways to interact with users. Reply to comments, duet relevant videos, and follow trends. This signals value to TikTok's system and boosts visibility. This isn't a passive platform. Interaction is currency here. One of the most important secrets is avoiding hard sells. TikTok users don't like being marketed too aggressively. They want entertainment first. If your content is fun, relatable, shareable, and helpful, then your products naturally get exposure without turning people off. Lastly, the guide wraps up with tactical insights and bonuses, including content ideas and additional marketing resources to support your strategy. If you take these 8 secrets and apply them consistently, you're setting yourself up for real growth. So if you want to start converting TikTok users into loyal followers and customers, this guide gives you a clear foundation to start from. Don't overlook short-form content. It's dominating online engagement right now. If you want to get access to the 8 Secrets to Marketing Success with TikTok, check the link in the description below to grab your copy and start scaling your TikTok presence today.